Alright, so I have this iPad, and I kind of put it on the shelf because it one day stopped working. I didn't drop the iPad itself. I dropped it in this case. It's like a keyboard case. Well, not this one, a different one. This one's broken, but I had it in this case, and it's like a kind of a portfolio thing like this, and I was getting out of the car and it fell on the ground. And now it does this weird screeny thing where, let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it doesn't turn on. The screen's like blank, and it has like this scrolly bar. So I don't know what to do. I don't really want to send it to Apple because I think it's like 250 bucks to fix it, and this is all it does. Although a couple of times I've randomly picked it up and it was working. So it does work, but for some reason it's not working. So I Googled what to do if your iPad has a black screen and won't turn on. And what I found was an Apple forum, and the first response to somebody who had the exact same problem was basically burp it like a baby. Put it on your knee and smack it on the back. That's why we're recording this video, just in case this works, because it would appear that about 270 people have had the same problem. So if this works, this video is going on YouTube, and hopefully it helps you burp your iPad back to life. And the general response from people is, are you freaking kidding me? I can't believe that worked. Some people were in very much disbelief, but to their dismay, it worked. So let's try this. So according to this, we have to put the iPad face down on my knee. I'm not sure if this is just a joke or what, but put it on my knee and then burp it progressively harder until it turns back on. So we'll see. Bear with me. We're gonna burp an iPad. This will be a first. I'm not burping my iPhone if it ever happens. So at present, when I push the only way it comes on is I push the power button on the top, and it does this thing where like this little bar just goes up to like here and then it turns off. So I don't know. So let's see what happens. Hello? Are you kidding me? It shows that the battery's dead. Are you seeing this? Okay, well, I'm going to charge the battery. We're going to cut the video. I'm going to charge the battery, and then we'll see if this thing turns on. I'm absolutely shocked already. So here's hoping that means the battery's dead, and all I have to do is charge it up. So we'll cut, and then I'll tell you what happens when the battery's charged. Bye. Well, here's the proof. So, sorry it took a long time, you have no idea, but it took a long time to get to this point. I actually had to drive like 15 miles to storage to get this charger because I'd put it in storage. I didn't think I was ever going to use it again. And I put it on the charger, and probably within 2 minutes, maybe, it's up and running. So it's freaking exciting. Yep. Seems to work okay. It's probably got a bunch of, like, you haven't backed it up in 100 years because you haven't used it. So I'm going to put a link below this video to this conversation, because if you're having this problem and you find this video, this could save you a ton of money and salvage your otherwise piece of junk iPad. There's like 300, just shy of 300 people who responded to this thread saying this works. And I cannot believe that's the most shocking thing ever, that giving your iPad a good whack on the back is what you do to solve it. I mean, obviously if you have more technical problems, yeah, you're on your own. But anyway, there's the proof that the whack on the back worked. So I can't believe it. This is totally going on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your iPad.